This is gonna be crazy. Ah! Oh my gosh. Hello everybody, it's Barry here. Hope you right there. Oh well, welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're doing something a little bit quirky. I'm just gonna summarize the title right now. Yep, today we are doing roasted garlic air filled mozzarella balloons. Is that like the coolest thing ever? I mean, I'm really excited today because we have got an icy whip, a cream charger, a whipped cream dispenser. There's so many different ways for it, and I've wanted to get one of these for years. And the only way I was thinking is, oh yeah, but you just put cream in it and spray it out. But no, my eyes have been opened. You get these nitrous oxide cream chargers that you put in there and you can make amazing things with it. And I went to Heston Blumenthal's place, the Fat Duck, for my 40th birthday the other day, and I was actually kind of inspired. I'm like, I have to do this. So we are gonna roast some garlic. This is from a website called The Boss Kitchen. We're gonna fill the mozzarella balloon with roasted infused garlic air. And I don't know what's gonna happen. Are we gonna is it gonna work? If it works, are we just gonna go, it's gonna be like a piece of bubble gum and you're not gonna taste the air? Let's find out. Yeah, so I've got one of these. I've got the cream chargers and also some stainless steel tips. I thought I'd order these because we actually in a bit have to like mold our mozzarella, like Play-Doh kind of texture. We've got to soften it up and knead it and wrap it around one of these tips. Ah, this is gonna be crazy. But as I say, I've never used one before, and I think just to get it going and understanding how it works, we will do it with cream first. And you don't even need to whip it, you just pour in whipping cream or double cream as a fluid, and the nitrous oxide does the rest. I was looking at the instructions, couldn't find it, and I found this amazing instructional video, which actually shows there, they actually screw in the canister on there, they shake it, but then they take it off. You see? That's pretty, I didn't realize, I thought I had to keep it on, which is probably might be more safe. And then we should be able to squeeze out cream like that. Do you see how they poured it in? I thought that was amazing. I was actually really panicking. Because if it wasn't for that video, it had this like diagram saying I need something called like a dispensing piston I've got to actually insert in. And it's even got a separate part number, and I was really worried. And I think that is it already in there. If it's not, well, it's not gonna work, is it? So let's do what they've just done with the cream. I've just got nothing to spray it on. Yeah, the only thing I could find was this brioche chocolate chip bun thing, so we're gonna spray cream on that. This is nice and chilled. I've got some double cream. Ooh, nice. I still don't get how it goes from that to potentially cream, but we'll come on to that if this works first. All right, that's pretty tight. Then it's got this sort of holder thing for our cartridge. Go in. Yeah, I know nitrous oxide, I don't want to go down that route too much, but it's commonly used as pain relief, isn't it? Anyhow, cream is pain relief too. So we're gonna turn this on here. I don't know if we hear anything. Ooh. Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Take this off. Oh, that does feel really light now. So we should be able to take this, turn it upside down. What? Oh my gosh, that's spray cream everywhere. It is all over my camera. It is, boss, then stop licking the cream. Right, what? I'm not sure how that happened. I've got quite a disappointed pug there because all the cream's gone. I've tied up as best I can. But I feel like possibly there is this part missing. There's actually a dispensing piston, but on the video I saw, it looks like mine was already put in there and I couldn't get it out. I'm gonna do some more reading on this, and this does not look very appetizing. No, apparently it is in there, and I'm not going to take it out because it's covered in cream there, so I'm going to get another cartridge, and this time I'm going to try the fatter nozzle. Oh my gosh. So a new cartridge. I'll tell you what, this bodes really well for the garlic. I'm so glad I did this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, let's try this. Oh! There it is! Ah! What happened before? Well, that's pretty good actually. Let's just take a moment and find out what the heck just happened with this, and then we'll do the mozzarella balloons. I found this pretty cool website. I won't go too much into it, but it says the process for using a gas to whip is simply a process of injecting gas into a liquid. In this sense, it is no different from the process of using like a soda stream. The real difference is the gas that you're using. So for a soda stream, that is CO2, so the fizzy stuff, whereas the cream chargers, as we talked about, is the nitrous oxide canisters. Nitrous oxide imparts no flavour upon anything that it's passed through, which is why it can be used for sweets, savouries and drinks. What's happened is that cream has gone at that intense pressure in just that short journey to take it from being the fluid, the chilled fluid, it's got to be chilled, but that pressure has like whipped it crazy like that. That is really, really cool. Right, let's mozzarella balloon. The first thing, we're gonna make our garlic air. I was wondering, I was just stood at the sink trying to get the lid off, and I had to just go like that and just completely drain the pressure out because it was so tight in there, it was refusing this to be unscrewed. Right, first step, preheat my oven to 180°C fan or equivalent. So we've got some garlic cloves here, and I've now got this amazing waft around the kitchen of sort of slowly going off cream and garlic. Nice. So we've got 10 garlic cloves here and some olive oil. Apparently, to create our garlic air, we wrap this in foil. So some olive oil on there. So hopefully that's gonna give us some smelly air for our balloons. Oh my gosh, is that like cream in my hair? All right, it's been another 10 minutes. I cannot tell you how much that smells. So we need to start thinking about the mozzarella. I didn't want to jump too far ahead of this because it's actually the garlic that goes in the canister first before we can even start practicing with it too much. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually bring some water to a boil because it is the warm water that is gonna loosen up our mozz. Now apparently we only need 15 grams of mozzarella. So I've got a couple of different types here. I've got some pearls, and hopefully you can see that there. That is about 20 grams, and that is not a lot of mozzarella. I've actually got quite a lot of other mozzarella. I've got a whole block here and a cylindrical tube. So we'll get 3 separate bowls, give ourselves enough opportunity, but it's supposed to sit in there for like 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll do 2 more bowls with some bigger pieces, I think. Well, there we go. I don't know if because of the heat it's been in there a little bit longer, but this water looks a lot less murky so far. And then we're gonna knead it. We're gonna mold it into like a chewing gum texture. So let it sit in the warm water. And apparently if it goes wrong, you can just shove it in the water again and knead it again. Let's get the garlic out. Oh, it smells so bad. It smells so good. You know, when you're the one cooking garlic, you're expecting it, so it smells like that. For me in Boston right now, and for you, you smell that? It's all right, isn't it? Oh, smell it though, smell it. Oh, so put the garlic to one side. It's still wrapped in the foil to hopefully keep that freshness. So the first one I did were these pearls here, and that is, oh my gosh, that feels really delicate. What we're supposed to do, apparently, is now sort of knead it a little bit. Oh, that is really like chewing gum texture. Oh wow, and it is strong and smooth. There's no cracks in it. I think I'm gonna go with that, but I'm gonna keep it warm. I feel like the warmth is gonna help it expand. So let's unwrap this again. Oh, it almost sort of like caramelized. And in it goes. I mean, I was gonna try and drain the oil off, but I guess it's kind of not a bad thing that it's gonna have that sort of garlic oil. Oh, look at that color. It is a garlic canister, oh my gosh. So let's get that funky nozzle on there. New canister in. Although I did read you could actually like double or triple up the power by putting more canisters. I don't know if we're gonna need that. Lid goes on. So remember, this canister is filled with roasted garlic air. Should we just go for it? Should we just go for it? Yeah. Oh no, there's a hole in it. What? I don't think this is gonna be as easy as I thought. No, oh my gosh. All right, what follows might be a montage of me trying this over and over with lots of mozzarella and warm water. Nice. Oh, this piece is bigger. Oh, it's just bursting it. Oh no. It has to be completely fused piece with no wrinkles. Oh, it keeps breaking. I don't think this is gonna work, you know, folks. Look at that. It's just bursting it every single time. I've got an elastic band and I'm gonna try. What? I'm wondering if it's this nozzle, you know. I mean, I've got enough mozzarella to keep going with some new fresh batches. Maybe that's the best way to go. But I've tried every piece I've got now to varying success, all to the point where there is no success. I'm warming the kettle, I'm gonna go again. Come on. Right now, how I'm feeling, this feels like possibly the hardest thing I've ever tried to do. It just is not working. My backup after this, which is probably all my goes today, is to maybe do this step over a saucepan to keep that heat. But I think for it to succeed, it needs to be stretchier, and like that's where the kneading comes in. But even that there, that's thin there. Oh my gosh. Oh, folks, I think I've cracked it, and the size of the mozzarella is irrelevant. It is all about the heat of that water. I have got a bowl of water that's been there about 10 minutes and it's stood and it's lukewarm. Look at the difference in that. Can you see? I can knead that. I can stretch. It's really, really hot. Ha! Yes, it is. Really, really hot. Ooh, I didn't realize this was going to be quite so dangerous. So much more pliable. Look at that. Whoa. Ah, it's like holding fire, like literally. It's hot. And what I'm going to try and do, like literally encase it and grip it on the nozzle and hold it upside down. What? I'm lapping cold water onto a roasted garlic filled jellyfish. What? It's like a brain. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, see my fingers? You know, it looks like you've been swimming. Ugh. So compress it into a ball, make the bucket thing, get a solid pinch on it. Oh! Oh, that's a blooming big one, isn't it? Wow! I just went to move it and it must have got a little hole in it like a swim cap. So that's that same one again. I've already shaped it into a ball just to give it as much help as possible. Indent in there, wrap around, pinch it hard over. Ah! It's going down! No! Ooh! What? Garlic hair. Ah! It smells of a very garlic infused place here. I think it's all right. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna stop. My hands are on fire. So there is a lump of mozzarella at the bottom, which you can snip off, but I quite like it. I'll show you it. It's kind of turning it into a bit of a stand. It's like a high-heeled shoe. But instead you can have some basil leaves with it, some tomatoes, they look like strawberries, and then we drizzle some balsamic vinegar over the top. I will say with this big one though, it looks awesome there, but you turn it here, and it's got like a sort of like face on it or something, or like a astronaut helmet. I've got to be honest, about 90 minutes ago, I didn't think we would be at this stage. What do? Do I just like burst it? Oh, I think I'll do one of both. I'll burst it. Oh my gosh, that smell is amazing. Like wafer thin mozzarella like this. Oh, awesome. And this one, we are going to just pick the whole thing up. Oh, you get this amazing aroma. I do a cooking channel, I hardly ever use the word aroma, but you really do, of that garlic. You can't taste it at all. But I think half of the experience is that smell and scent you get when you break it open. This has been quite an intensive first use for my canister creamer thing, but I want to use it again. I'm intrigued. So if you've got any cool ideas, no matter if they don't exist anymore, you want to see me do it, get in touch via your social media of choice. Remember to subscribe if you're not already, and if you are, make sure notifications are turned on. And yeah, I can't wait to see what we do next with it. And then I promise I will give it away, but I think we can have a lot of fun. I just saw a deconstructed cocktail. Awesome. Right, I'm off. I stink of garlic and stale cream, and I've got a lot of tidying up to do. See you later.
Why does it smell like a dairy farm in here?